Somehow no one wants to eat the bowl today. I think I'll just delete it from the app. I just deleted it, didn't I? Why is it still on Diva? Hi and welcome to the world of Diva. Today I will be discussing with you this very question. Why is the content still remains on Diva after you delete it from the app? As I mentioned in the previous videos, Diva is just very efficient. In fact, it only connects to the network every 5 minutes. So Diva actually knows every 5 minutes if something has changed. It happens in order to save as much power as possible and to last as long as possible. If I delete the Diva from the app and the content still remains, don't worry, it will change after about 5 minutes if it hasn't changed already. As soon as you delete Diva from the list in your app, it will reset automatically and it will again show the QR code and you need to start the setup again. So don't worry if you deleted Diva from your app, just wait for about 5 minutes and then you can continue with your setup. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.